time reads my fidgets part 1.
Okay.
Pop it. I mean, tinglers.
A 7.8 out of 10.
Okay. Pop it.
This one I gave you it, so a 10 out of 10.
Okay.
But yeah.
Another pop it.
This one's the most horrible one because one of this don't pop. Yeah. Like this one does not pop. That's a 6. It has ugly colors as well.
Okay. Dimple.
The yellow one and orange doesn't pop that bad, but 8.7, I guess. This one I view it, so it's a
9.10 maybe. Okay, 8.
It's an 8. This Mickey Mouse Poppet is really smooth in texture. I like it. So an 8.9.
Oh, so 9.
Okay, and we got this octopus. Sometimes the head is really hard to squeeze down, so it's a 7.
Okay.
The color's not bad though.
There's the pile.
There's another one. It's the same as it's just another 7. This one popped.
Yep.
Why did he pop it?
It was an accident. I was throwing it on the roof. See, throw it on the roof. Right there.
I made it a 9.
Okay, next.
It's dirty.
1.
And it's a 4. Yeah, I remember we chopped the head off, and
yeah.
This is really nasty. I seen this all around, but that's a 5. Don't you clean these?
Stretch it, ma'am.
This is a 6.
I think it's pretty good quality.
Yeah, it's a 6. This one.
I'm not sure if you like those.
It's another 6.
Okay, you just throw it.
I threw it, not.
Oh.
This one's not bad, actually. A 9. An 8.
You can have this.
And this.
Biting. What is it?
That's a 3.
Okay.
And this, a 10 out of 10.
Okay, she gives the bucket. She gives the bucket a 10 out of 10. Maybe we'll do a part 2. Bye.